Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and in this video we're taking a look at the song Stand in Your Love by Josh Baldwin. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check that out right here. That's going to show you the arrangement that you're going to learn in this video. Also, I'm going to be using a lot of advanced guitar chords in this tutorial. Don't worry, I'll show you everything you need to know, but if you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chords, make sure to check out the link in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more of these advanced guitar chords. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial, and I want to do things a little bit differently. I want to do a different format for these tutorials. So I'm going to show you the cover that I released yesterday, and I'm going to have the chords right here while I play through so you can follow along. Let me know in the comments below if that's helpful or if you prefer the old format. It doesn't matter to me, I just thought that this would be simpler for you to learn. So if that's true, let me know in the comments below. If you prefer the old format, let me know that as well. Here's the tutorial. Darkness tries to roll over my bones. Sorrow comes to steal the joy I own. When brokenness and pain is all I know, I won't be shaken. No, I won't be shaken. 'Cause my fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. My fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. My fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. Stand in your love. Well, shame no longer has a place to hide, and I am not a captive to the lies. Oh, I'm not afraid to leave my past behind. Oh, I won't be shaken. No, I won't be shaken. 'Cause my fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. My fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. My fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. And there's power that can break off every chain. There's power that can empty out a grave. There's resurrection power that can save. There's power in your name. Power in your name. There's power that can break off every chain. There's power that can empty out a grave. There's resurrection power that can save. Power in your name, power in your name. My fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. My fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. My fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. Oh, my fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. My fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. And my fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. I'm standing in your love. Congratulations, now you know how to lead the song Stand in Your Love by Josh Baldwin with just you and an acoustic guitar. If you liked some of those advanced guitar chords that you learned in this tutorial, there's a link to a free PDF down in the description below called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more of those advanced guitar chords that you can start implementing into your own playing to level up your guitar playing. Also, down in the comments below, let me know if you like this new format or if you want me to go back to the old way of like sitting down and being like, here are the chords in verse 1, verse 2. I just feel like if you want to learn the song, you can figure that out if the chords are right here. But maybe I'm off base on that. Maybe I'm wrong. Either way, let me know in the comments below. And other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.